The initial goal was never to study fashion. I wanted to do interiors.
So I have always been a person in t-shirts. मतलब आप मेरे को मेरी t-shirt से निकाल नहीं सकते हो. So lately I have started No, not that.
When you are in college or school, it's like you are letting people know that मैं आ जाऊंगी, तुम मुझे bully करो. Like बेल मुझे man, I am the person you need to bully. And honestly, I feel my reels which have crossed millions are the ones that I have literally thought of never uploading. And yeah, the ones I'm like, no, I don't want to upload this. ये क्या है? Those hit like 5 million and 10 million, and it's very random. And people are happy seeing people sad on the internet is what I've realized. You put one video of you crying and you'll get like, oh, 100k in a day, 200k in a day. हाँ यार कुछ ऐसा glow look pretty when they cry.
कुछ तो glow होता है. Because मैं जब मुंह धोने जाती हूँ, I see my cutie.
That's pretty. Okay, let me cry some more. Best skincare routine. Tears.
हमारी बहुत अच्छी बॉन्डिंग हो चुकी है इस पॉडकास्ट में. बदमाश बातें से बदमाश बॉन्डिंग.
Action.
Let's go. Hello people of internet. Welcome to another episode of Badmaaash Baatein. Today we have Sakshi with us.
Hello.
यार साक्षी, मैं इतनी प्यारी सी लगती हूँ मेरे को. हम फर्स्ट टाइम जब मिले थे, मतलब साक्षी हैड नो क्लू हु आई एम, और मैं इसी के पास गई कि आई लाइक योर कंटेंट ये वो, और ये एक्साइट हो गई. नो नाउ यू टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ. So cute. So then yeah, we started talking. हम दोस्त बन गए. And
it was the wild event. There was so much आवाज also.
Yeah. And हमने उतनी जोर से full DJ वगैरह सब बज रहा है, उसमें हमने बात कर ली. And I was like, bro, मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा when we interacted there. But thank you so much for coming. पहली बात तो.
Thank you so much for having me.
And हमारा ना पेटेंट सवाल है, but she's so sweet कि मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं कैसे पूछूं, but we'll still go.
Should I be scared? Okay.
So Sakshi, what do you do? Why do you do? Who do you do?
I'm gonna answer the first two, and the third one I'm gonna shut up. What do I do? I make content.
Right.
What was the second thing?
Why do you do?
Money. No, just kidding. I've been creating content for like almost 6 years now.
Oh.
And yeah, like I can't imagine doing anything else. Like honestly, if I have to think about it, I'll just be like, पता नहीं क्या करती मैं. So yeah, like I love creating content.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why I create content.
Okay. And who do you do?
I don't do anything. Really.
Achha,
Yeah.
yes, you've been living in Bombay, like that's a born brought up?
Yeah, born and brought up in
and,
Bombay.
And you live with your family?
Yeah, I live with my family.
Then तो मुश्किल होगा. Sorry, भाई देखो, this is going to go this way. मेरे को ना ऐसा लग रहा है हर कुछ ऐसी statement बोलने के बाद मैं इसको बोलूँगी sorry यार, अब ये ऐसे ही है थोड़ा.
नहीं यार, it's okay. मतलब it's a part of the podcast.
Yeah, it's part of the podcast. It's the vibe of the podcast.
Of course.
But yeah, so you were saying you've been in content space for like 6 years.
Yeah, like I started in 2018.
Oh.
And tabhi when I started, I started with a blog. Like it wasn't mainly just Instagram based. Tabhi I used to actually like write fashion articles and stuff.
तब तो था that era.
Yeah, like I made my first like WordPress blog, and uske upar I used to write. And like before that I had like this thing where I tried like different names, like different usernames, you know, like what would go, like Sakshi Shah, Subtle Shah, style of the Sadhana, like yeah, this goes. Yeah. चलो इससे साथ कर लेते हैं.
Yeah. And then ये तब से continue था यही.
Yeah.
Oh.
I started in first year of college.
Oh, okay. मैंने like I also started around 2017, but मैंने throughout बहुत content genres change करे, जब जो चल रहा है तब वो कर रहे हैं.
हाँ नहीं
like एकदम from sketches to vlogs to पता नहीं क्या क्या, and now podcast is going. मैंने कहा हाँ ये करेंगे, good. मजा आ रहा है.
पर बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Big fan.
Same. So but you were saying कि you started writing, and then like how did Instagram happen? बीच में did you do YouTube या कुछ?
So I'll tell you, writing happened because initially since school I knew that I was like interested in like making content, but तभी तो ऐसे कुछ था नहीं, you know, like content creation was never a thing. But I got my first camera when I was in 2017.
Yeah.
Then I realized I'm too shy for this. Like I can't sit and talk in front of a camera. And उसके बाद I got to know about this thing where you can just like write. And I've always been someone like if I start talking, I will go on and on and on and on.
That's why we have her, guys.
So that's what used to happen, but like I was very shy pehle to like talk in front of a camera, so that's why I started writing. So it was just like one way to express what I was feeling through fashion. But like fashion is something that's been constant, like all the 6 years it's been constant.
So how have you seen if fashion evolve hote hue in a way ki it's affecting your style as well? मतलब evolve तो हो रहा है of course कि things come and go trend में, but does it really affects your personal style throughout?
I don't think so. Like for me, I've never really like stuck to one kind of style. Like I wear literally everything. Like whatever I'm comfortable in, I wear. Like it doesn't have to be trendy or like it is like right now the bow thing is trending. But for me, I've not been that fond. Like not like. I mean, I don't know. I don't think that it's necessary for me to wear it because it's trending. If I find something cute and it has a bow on it, very nice. But I wouldn't like look for something because it's trending.
Okay.
You know, वैसे.
So now that you're creating content, जो मतलब अब तो मतलब Instagram पे it's every day you have to like sort of algorithm per se you have to post every day या alternate days पे. But when you are uploading and you are thinking कि अच्छा content ideation के time पे कि bro this is trending right now. So do you also have that process कि okay I'll go on Pinterest and see कि अच्छा ये इसके साथ ऐसे match करेगा ये ऐसे करेगा and then you prepare your मतलब जो भी process है मेरे को exact fashion का तो idea नहीं कि
No, so I'll tell you, for me, my full process is only different. Like, I think my process over the years has changed maybe a little. But when I started, so it was just solely, tabhi to reels wasn't there, first of all.
Right.
So it was just like making those 1 minute videos that went, you know how we put videos in carousels? So those were the kind of videos. Or there was IGTV.
Yeah, IGTV.
Yeah, so I used to make videos on IGTV. And then like normal the picture posts and all of that was to there only. And I think for me process abhi beech mein I realized for me it's more like music based. So when I used to make like fashion videos with like certain music, tabhi I used to see like the beats used to matter to me more than like trending music, because like I mean वो I think is very like तुक्के वाला,
that
कभी-कभी चल जाता है, कभी-कभी बिल्कुल नहीं चलता है.
Yeah, that I've seen in your content also.
Yeah,
मतलब वो पता लगता है that the thought you put in for the music as well.
Yeah, like I need my music to make sense with whatever is happening. Like I can't just use music because it's trending.
Right.
So that is one thing. And even now I think I've realized that for me what works the most is like when it's a very like a chatty kind of thing. So even if it's a fashion video, I'll make sure it's like as if I'm talking to you. You know, like I like my videos to have a vibe where it's like, oh, I'm showing my friend what I got like on FaceTime.
Yeah.
You know, like even if it's a haul, I'm like, oh, I got this. And I like it to be that way now. Nice. Trends really, I've never been too much of like, oh, this is trending, let me do this kind of a person.
Makes sense. मतलब हाँ मेरे को भी I think मेरे को when people tell me ना that कि अरे ये सुकृति ट्रेंड है या कुछ इस पे बनाओ, तो I'm like मेरे को तब हिट करता है कि this is trending. And अगर मुझे पहले से पता होता है this thing is a trend, तो मेरा खुद ही मन नहीं करता कि
oh my god I relate. Yeah,
it's like it's already too much. Like right now that Chamkila thing is going, it's like the film is good but it's now
like I love people who make the trend, but I don't think personally I'm someone who can like I can't be that hyped about it unless I really love it that much.
True.
Just say like for me one main part of the process is if I really want to create something, I like something new, except all the content which I anyway make, like haul videos, styling videos. So in general, it's a thing on my page.
Yeah.
But if I have to make something like high production, I make sure I don't like scroll for a week before that.
मतलब
I don't scroll on Instagram for a week before that because I don't want to get influenced by anything else that I'm seeing, because that I think that helps my creative process.
Like,
more.
I want to know this कि इसका give me an example, like when you are doing something high production and then you're not scrolling for a week, तो उसका मतलब नहीं समझ
So
आया.
see, you know, a lot of times when we're looking for references,
Right.
we tend to kind of make that thing in our head कि मैं जो बना रही हूँ वो ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. So for me, my explore page is filled with fashion.
Right.
Okay, because I create fashion, so my explore is filled with fashion.
Right.
So when I'm seeing people, somewhere in my subconscious mind, I'm like, you know, when I make it, I want it to look like this. Which somehow tends to, you know, kind of become like a replica of what you see. Like at least for me.
मतलब हाँ, उसमें वो touch आ जाता है.
हाँ.
What you have, okay.
So I want to be like, I need my head to be like a clean slate. So for me, the only two high production things that I shoot are Navratri and Diwali.
Okay.
So during that time, I make sure that I'm not seeing anyone else's content, because I don't want it to be like a similar that thing. Like, because then I feel like in my head I'll be like, नहीं यार ये तो ऐसे बनना था, उसका ऐसे बना तो ऐसे, you know.
That makes sense.
So I need my thing to be very clear before that.
Get it.
No reference is the best reference for me.
Guys, real. But सही है यार ये तो, मतलब I really like this thought कि not scrolling when you are coming up with something of your own and इंटरेस्टिंग आइडिया. क्योंकि मेरे साथ तो ये उल्टा है कि यार मेरे को देखना है कि हाउ थिंग्स आर गोइंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, क्योंकि नाउ ऑन माय पर्सनल प्रोफाइल आई मेक व्लॉग्स, तो मुझे देखना है कि अच्छा आजकल स्टाइल क्या चल रहा है. नाउ सडनली दिस लॉट ऑफ टेक्स्ट क्लिक 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 वाला चलने लगा है.
राइट.
तो आई एम लाइक ओके ये करना पड़ेगा.
I really, हाँ वही होता है. When I see people अभी and I तो use Instagram text.
Yeah.
Because I'm just like कि simple है, it's readable and it works.
Right.
Like it's solving the same purpose.
Yeah.
But now when I see ऐसे how you said click 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 click, I was like यार मुझे भी ये करना चाहिए. But I'm just like ठीक है यार नहीं किया तो भी
Right.
purpose is solved.
Right.
It's okay.
But सही है. मेरे को तो उसमें यही लगता है यार कि अब जो अगर चल रहा है शायद से दिस इज व्हाट पीपल आर वाचिंग, बिकॉज यू आल्सो सी पीपल गेटिंग व्यूज ऑन इट.
Yeah, that's true.
बट पता नहीं यार व्यूज टू फॉलोअर्स कन्वर्जन रेट कैसा रहता होगा इन दीस सिचुएशंस वीडियोस. आई डोंट नो.
I don't know, man. Honestly, I feel my reels which have crossed millions are the ones that I have literally thought of never uploading. And yeah, the ones I'm like, no, I don't want to upload this. ये क्या है?
Yeah.
And those hit like 5 million and 10 million, and it's very random.
And
man.
sometimes they are very low effort.
Yeah.
भाई ये मेरे साथ बहुत हुआ है.
Yeah, like it's the kind of stuff you'll have like, yeah, should I delete this video or should I post it? Okay, let me post it. Oh wow, you're at 1 million. Wow, how nice.
मतलब लाइक फ्यू डेज बैक ओनली दिस हैपेंड. मैंने कुछ तो मैं एयरपोर्ट पे फ्लाइट डिले हो गई थी. आई शॉट दिस वीडियो प्लेइंग ऊनो विद स्ट्रेंजर्स और द थिंग वाज कि इट वाज नॉट क्लीन. मतलब पिक्सलेट हो रही है क्योंकि फ्रंट कैमरा से शूट किया अंधेरा है, तो इट वाज नॉट क्लीन एज सच. बट मैंने एडिट करके टेक्स्ट वेक्स बहुत कुछ डाल दिया था, बकचोदी कर दी थी. तो आई वाज लाइक कि ये डाल दूं क्या. And it was long also, 50 minutes, 50 seconds से ऊपर जा रही.
Oh, अच्छा हाँ 50
सॉरी YouTube वाले हैं ना 5 minutes में सोचते हैं, तो 50 seconds से ऊपर जा रही थी. तो आई वाज लाइक यार चलेगी नहीं. फिर मैंने 2-3 लोग को भेजा, कहते मज़ा नहीं आ रहा. मैंने डाल दी. मैं कहीं इन्हें मज़ा नहीं आ रहा.
बना दिया.
बट एंड दैट इज एट 700K.
Damn.
पिछले महीने के मिला के इतने नहीं है.
I'm telling you, it's always the things you feel like won't work end up working the best.
मतलब I always think कि archive कर देंगे, कोई बात नहीं.
I'm like that only. I keep archive as my backup.
Yeah.
Like कुछ नहीं चला ठीक है, archive, bye bye.
Yeah, exactly. But I want to know about fashion. You know, so you have studied fashion, done fashion.
Okay, funny story. So I was telling you. So the initial goal was never to study fashion. Like I have like fashion to study, so it was never even in the thing. I wanted to do interiors. Ooh. Yeah, interior design had been like my thing. I've even actually interned with an interior designer right out after school, and I was like, bachelor's, so I definitely want to do an interior designer in interior designing.
Yeah.
And then later, like you like design school ke liye there's this entire thing, you prepare for 2 years and you give entrance exams and wherever you get in you have an interview and all of that. So but for me one more thing was I didn't want to go very far from Bombay. Like I'm a Bombay girl. I want to be in Bombay and I want to be as close to Bombay as I can.
Okay.
So for me I was like closest is Pune.
Yeah.
So and I had not given NIFT ever. It's very funny because now that I'm doing fashion, everyone's like, oh, so you've graduated from NIFT. And I'm like, no, I have not. I didn't even...
Funny story, I am also from a fashion college.
Fine.
But I didn't do fashion.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, but I was, मतलब majority उस college में fashion ही था, from Pearl Academy.
Oh, Pearl, I know.
Yeah. So I did 3D design animation.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's like max technical, no?
Yeah. तभी छोड़ दिया मैंने.
Good one.
Yeah. So you were saying then you went to Pune.
Yeah, so I cleared my like I was missing out, like I didn't make it in the interiors list by like a very small that thing, okay?
Right.
So like my parents and I, we sat and we emailed the people, like the admin thing at MIT, and we were like, we really want, like my dad was like, we really want to, you know, like send our daughter here and this and that. And then in like 5 days, I have literally prepared for an entrance exam for fashion, like cleared the first round, then the second round was the interview, and even that guy, like so for the first thing, I don't know, I'm saying it in a very messed up way, but anyway, so I gave the first round interview also for interiors, but after that I didn't make it. So like when I went there the second time to give the fashion interview, that dude was like, you're here again. So I was like, yeah, I'm going to come here only. मतलब मैं आना तो मुझे MIT में ही है, fashion या कुछ भी करो. So then that's how I ended up in fashion. It was a very like couldn't do interiors. So my plan was eventually कि after the first year I'll shift to fashion to interiors. But then it was going well and I was actually enjoying. So yeah,
nice यार. मतलब काफ़ी ऐसा है हमारी क्या कहते हैं छोटी छोटी चीज़ें मैच कर गई कि आई वॉज इन फैशन कॉलेज यू आल्सो डू इनटू फैशन आई एम करंटली डूइंग इंटीरियर शूट्स फॉर पीपल यू वांट टू
crazy bro wow
yeah मैं like so that's like my freelance thing so I do interior shoots.
Damn, that is so cool. My friend was just asking me, I'll send your number.
तो हाँ तो that's something तो मैं काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगा तो then you started doing you studied fashion when did you graduate अभी?
I graduated in 2022.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You are 23.
Yeah. No, I'm 24. Like I turned 24 now.
Ah, okay. Yeah. अच्छा.
2000
Maths
baby.
guys.
2000.
I thought कि मैंने बहुत कुछ crazy math की है.
Sorry.
या कॉफी पी लो यार.
हाँ यार.
बट नहीं मेरे को ऐसा सही में लगा.
You're not a 90s baby. Oh my god.
I am 99.
हाँ यार 1 year.
हाँ मैं भी border पे ही हूँ.
So we have like almost like
1 year.
Yeah, ठीक है. That doesn't count. I don't count 1 year as age gap only.
है ना मैं भी.
Yeah.
So whenever like मैं फिर से guy talk पे आ जाऊँगी पर देखो मेरे साथ ये होता है whenever like I tell people my type, it has to be 97 से पहले.
Oh, like older.
हाँ ठीक है क्योंकि 98 तो भाई मेरी एज हो गई ठीक है तो वो नहीं 97 या उससे ऊपर.
Yeah, no, that's good.
That is my type क्योंकि उससे नीचे तो फिर मैं बेबी सिटर बन जाऊँगी.
हाँ.
What is your type?
My type, I तो मतलब just toxic मत बनो यार. मतलब मेरा
toxic मैंने कहा
नहीं यार नहीं बस toxic ना होने चाहिए. बस वही है ज़्यादा.
Are you on dating apps?
No. Never been.
Never been?
Never.
What are you saying यार ऐसे
No यार never been. I have heard terrifying stories and I am very scared.
I want to know. ये तो मुझे जानना है. ये हुई ना बात हाँ
Listen, I've heard very psycho thriller type stories. I'm afraid.
From friends or from like
No, from like friends only. Friends and then उनके mutuals. I'm just like no, I'll see you guys doing things and मुझे नहीं आना इसके बीच में.
मैं vicariously जी रही हूँ.
Like I'll live through you.
भाई but नहीं मैं तो मतलब बॉम्बे में आके सब मेरे सारे डेटिंग एप्स इंस्टॉल होते हैं फिर मैं देखती हूँ कौन सा क्रिएटर है यहाँ पे.
Yeah. That must be fun. But I remember someone telling me बीच में कि my picture was used. I think one of my friend told me कि they saw me on a dating app. I was like, there is no way. मैंने तो नहीं बनाया कुछ. तो but I remember I think someone was using my pictures. I didn't care much about it. I was just like ठीक है, मैं तो नहीं हूँ. जब भी मिलेंगे तभी समझ तो आ ही जाएगा. I don't know what they're doing with my pictures.
Exactly, मतलब ये कैसा कैटफिश है भाई, मेरे को भी नहीं समझ आता. लाइक मैंने एक बार किया था, तो फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन उसकी पिक्चर्स यूज थी, मैंने स्वाइप किया एंड आई वाज टॉकिंग एज वो मेरा दोस्त है. लाइक आई न्यू इट वाज नॉट हिम बिकॉज नाम वाम सब इन्फॉर्मेशन गलत. तो
हाँ, yeah, the name wasn't Sakshi in that. It was something else only. It was something from S but not Sakshi.
Because I think they know कि मतलब सर्च तो कर ही लेंगे ना, साक्षी लिखोगे तो. हाँ. तो हाँ यार, मेरे बाल वो हो रहे हैं क्या awkward?
नहीं, it's good. It's bouncy.
Bouncy. ये ना मैंने आने से जस्ट पहले हेयर कट करा लिया, मेरी बहुत बड़ी गलती होगी और ये मैनेज नहीं हो रही है सामने के मेरे.
Talk to me about it. We've made similar mistakes. Listen.
What?
This haircut.
Yours is looking nice. तुम्हारे
That's what I like to think.
ये क्या है ये, what is this? But yeah, okay, हाँ, before starting the podcast I was telling you something around my thing with fashion. So I have always been a person in t-shirts. मतलब आप मेरे को मेरी टी शर्ट से निकाल नहीं सकते हो. सो लेटली आई हैव स्टार्टेड No, not that. As in, you cannot put me in another piece of clothing. ठीक है, हंसो मत. ये इतने गंदे दिमाग इन सबके यहाँ पे.
मैंने तो सोचा भी नहीं था. I saw him and I burst out.
No.
But it's good info.
अगले पॉडकास्ट के लिए काम आएगी इन्फॉर्मेशन.
I'm getting very curious now.
Bro. Okay. Basically, I have not experimented much with my fashion. Always been in t-shirts. तो lately, especially for podcast या फिर when I'm going out for an event, मैंने jeans और t-shirts के अलावा चीजें पहननी start की, like this या कुछ.
ये तो बहुत cool है, मेरे को बहुत मस्त summary लगा.
Thank you. So I was like कि हाँ ये कुछ नया try करते हैं. But I often see this on Instagram कि there are certain styling thing for certain body types. I want to know about that. कि जैसे for example मुझे तो अपना body type भी नहीं मालूम. तो how do you decide कि क्या कैसे style करना चाहिए किसको ऐसा?
So ये हमको ना fashion school मतलब when I was studying fashion styling, that time they had taught us this कि there are like these different body types and all like that. So even if you like there's pear, there's triangle, there is
मेरा क्या
what
है?
is this? I don't know.
Hourglass.
Yeah. See, you know more fashion than me.
Fashion school guys. Without fashion. Yes.
Yeah, hourglass, then the
rectangle ऐसा कुछ तो होता है.
rectangle. हाँ. See, you know more fashion than me.
मेरे को styling नहीं आती ना.
So, see, I to feel like I said before also, this has been like something whenever anyone asks me, I feel there's nothing like anyone can dress a certain way. I feel you should dress whatever you're comfortable in. And I really like body types to identify is one thing. You know to know कि you're this body type and that body type. But at the end of the day, whatever you're comfortable in, I don't believe in the this thing कि you should dress according to your body type and all. Of course, I mean, but I think whatever you're comfortable in, you're comfortable in t-shirts. The t-shirts is
नहीं,
amazing.
but जैसे for example, again I'm in my experimental stage and I tell you, see, I have my shoulders comparatively broad, ठीक है? Then how would I style it to not make it look broad? क्योंकि अगर मैं वो baggy t-shirts पहनूंगी तो it will
look more
हाँ. तो that way how do you style in certain situations कि आप उधर you make it look less
like more
broad.
flattering.
Yeah, more, it looks better in
right.
हाँ.
I think that though honestly would come with experimentation only. See, I don't have like a very concrete answer to that.
Yeah.
Because for me, मतलब like I told you, for me I'm just like जो अच्छा लगता है पहन लेती हूँ मैं वैसे. So and it should like flattering. तो obviously it should look only then you're going to feel comfortable and confident in that. So I think that will come more or less with experimentation only. I think that's very like ऐसा subjective person to person का. जैसे but like you said basic things जैसे अभी if you have broad shoulders. And you're going to wear puffy sleeves, but it won't look flattering basically.
Exactly.
So
मैंने क्योंकि एक बार ये what you were saying, I got this one really nice top and मुझे तो बहुत सही लग रहा था स्टोर पे और मैंने लिया वो. It was a white and I'm a white person. मतलब मुझे ज़्यादा white I'm a person who likes to wear white. तो more मतलब मुझे dark colors उतने नहीं पसंद.
हाँ.
तो I got that and it had ऐसे वही balloon sleeve और यहाँ से ऐसे बंद वाला thing sleeve ऐसे cuff thing and यहाँ से तो when I wore it it was not looking good तो मैंने कहा okay probably this is not something I should be wearing.
Yeah.
तो ऐसा मतलब फिर अब वो नहीं पता कि या तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है या फिर is it like
no but that does happen but see some people are very like cool carrying it off also. Everything comes down to confidence according to me at the end of the day. So you are confident in it then you're pulling it off बस.
I was not confident.
हाँ
तो वैसे भी ना टी शर्ट्स के अलावा एवरीथिंग इज आउट ऑफ कंफर्ट जोन फॉर मी. अभी थोड़ा सा बिकम अ शर्ट पर्सन.
This is looking too good bro. I love your outfit.
Thank you.
Bombay girl you're looking.
Yeah, I am like I think अभी मैं थोड़ा शर्ट्स पे अडैप्ट करने लगी हूँ बट अगेन मेरे साथ ये भी था कि मेरे को स्टाइलिंग इसलिए भी चेंज करनी थी क्योंकि मैं हमेशा अपनी शर्ट और जीन्स पहन के इफ आई वुड गो फॉर माई फ्रीलांस शूट तो ऐसे लोग मुझे सीरियसली नहीं लेते थे.
हाँ.
तो मैं ज़्यादा बच्ची लगने लगती थी तो आई वाज लाइक नो. फिर मैंने थोड़े से अच्छे खासे लाइक कॉर्ड लेने लग गई जो स्लीव्स एंड ऑल वो सब.
No but that's a thing हाँ that people don't take you seriously if you're like dressed a certain way. Yeah पहले I am someone who will not put makeup if like right. I'll put makeup if I'm shooting something or if I'm going to an event but if I'm chilling with my friends or whatever I won't even look at makeup. It's in my drawer happily sitting. But
guys coming from a beauty fashion creator.
Yeah like I am the most like jhalla person off camera. You will not, probably
aren't all creators.
Yeah अरे that day.
But have you seen ऐसे creators जो ऑफ कैमरा भी you've seen कि ठीक है ये तो मतलब सारा टाइम ऐसे ही रहता है जैसे कैमरा पे है. Have you ever seen somebody like that?
No, luckily thank God like for me most of my creator friends are like me only ditto like me so I found my people.
You're lucky.
Touch wood yes very lucky.
You know I live with a creator.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh y'all live together?
No this is another creator.
Oh
yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't know what that would be like. I don't know like I think I don't come off that much as a creator if you like see me except like I wouldn't give that vibe like I'm more challa than my normal friends also.
Oh
yeah.
नहीं हम लोग तो ऐसे होमलेस ही रहते हैं यहाँ पे. यार हम दोनों ऐसे ही रहते हैं. वी चिल एंड देन हम प्लान बनाते हैं. अगर हमको टाउन जाना होता है हमें पता है 3 रील शूट करके आनी है.
हाँ of course.
तो that is something. But have you ever thought of living with a creator या कुछ?
No yeah I'm like
कभी आया है
नहीं. I want मतलब at one point I was like I do want a studio of my own but I never like studio as in like a nice 1 BHK type खुद का बाहर studio अंदर chill करो रहो and but I never thought of like ऐसा being like living with someone also because अभी पहले से I've been in Bombay lived with my parents so for me it was never like I can't imagine sharing it with another person. तो पता नहीं never thought of it.
हाँ
maybe I don't know.
मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों I have always wanted. मैंने ये ट्राई भी कर लिया
तो like हाँ like if it works
yeah if it works it works. तो मतलब हाँ it was interesting experience था मेरे लिए भी. अब मैं वापस दिल्ली जा रही हूँ तो
fun यार पर नहीं there's nothing like home. I तो can't imagine. मैं तो पुणे से every weekend वापस आती थी यार.
मैं भी every weekend पहुँच जाती हूँ. Every weekend I'm again back in Delhi. मेरे पापा मम्मी ऐसे बोलते सुकृति तुम रेंट किस लिए भर रहे हो रहे हो. मैंने कहा now it is what it is.
Yeah I used to get homesick like 4 hours away from Bombay. So very ridiculous like that.
Yeah but so your friends are creator friends या उसके अलावा भी you have like अभी?
So most of my I've made very like close creator friends and so like they are there and then except that I have like a few people from school and then a few people from college. So हाँ it's like a mix of everything. Yeah a few people from my locality तो सब जगह से थोड़े हैं.
That's right. मेरे साथ उल्टा है. मेरा एक बहुत अच्छा क्रिएटर फ्रेंड है एक बहुत अच्छा क्रिएटर फ्रेंड है मेरा एक बहुत अच्छी स्कूल की फ्रेंड है एक अच्छी कॉलोनी की फ्रेंड है. अब मेरे साथ ये होता है यार I don't have हैव अ टाइट सर्कल विद एनी, मतलब ऐसे
Yeah.
स्कूल का कुछ एक नहीं है, क्रिएटर्स में कुछ एक जैसे कि
Yeah,
सब
yeah.
एवरीबॉडी इज गेटिंग अलोंग ऐसा, तो वो वाला नहीं है मेरे पास, तो मेरे को बड़ी दिक्कत आती है चीजें प्लान करने में. like, if I
Oh
want to.
bhai, talk about it. Yeah, my birthday is coming. I'm so stressed. I was
Same,
like,
bhai.
I don't want like imagine having like people who don't know each other, but just like they're in one room because oh happy birthday to you. Like so random.
हाँ भाई, ऐसे बड़ी मेरे को भी दिक्कत आती है. फिर तब भी दैट इज व्हाई आई डोंट सेलिब्रेट ओनली. मैंने कभी सबके साथ अलग अलग जाके कर लूंगी.
This year, though, I'm thinking I want to like remove my SIM at 11:59 on 21st June.
Yeah.
Bus and then put it back on 23rd June.
Why?
I can't. Bhai, last year I got stress.
Why?
इतना call, इतने messages. I'm just like मैं एक बार end में thank you बोल दूंगी सबको यार.
बट यार मेरे को ये बर्थडे एंजाइटी कभी समझ ही नहीं आई यार.
It's a thing, bro.
Why?
मैंने तो last year YouTube पे stress करके बोलती sorry guys I can't reply. Please don't take me wrong. I want to reply to everyone individually but I'm getting very anxious.
मैं तो बर्थडे पे YouTube पे लाइव चली जाती हूँ. सुपर चैट ही सुपर चैट.
live तो मतलब I told you like even when we were like doing this I was like my first thing was I don't think I'm cut out to like talk in a podcast. I'm
अरे
very awkward.
I feel everybody is a podcast worthy person. बिकॉज सबके पास स्टोरीज होती है. एवरीबडी हैज देयर एक्सपीरियंस. मतलब यार अगर तुम 20 साल भी जिए हो, 20 छोड़ो 15 साल भी जिए हो,
You still have like so many
exactly
stories.
यार 15 years मतलब कितने सारे डेज आपके लाइफ में.
True yeah 100%.
तो उसमें से 15 स्टोरीज तो निकल ही जाएंगी.
हाँ
और
आराम
5
से.
आप सुना सकते हो. so
That's very important.
so but so you were saying कि you have a lot of creative friends वगैरह, तो do you
Not a lot of, but like a few, like
few कितने होता है?
So we have this one group of like me, Kanchi, Riya, and Muskan, like same type, different font, and we are actually like
Muskan
that
is,
also. Muskan Rawat.
Yeah, I've seen.
Yeah.
Pinterest content.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pinterest.
Muskan, come on my podcast. so,
She's like the perfect Pinterest
Yeah.
girly. But हाँ मतलब I think for us also it happened very organically. It's
Yeah.
not like कि ऐसे बस बन गया. One day we made a group and then we started like talking and then it was very like अपने आप बन गया. Yeah, we didn't have to like try and like you know we like oh hello how are you.
Formality नहीं.
The hi Sakshi, nice to meet you never happened with us. इतना frequently. It was happened once and then
nice.
बन गया.
मैं तो so when you guys like ऐसा होता है कि if you were invited to an event तो
Yeah.
try करते हो कि तुम साथ ही जाओ सारे.
Yeah, now तो whenever there's an event we're like hi are you all coming, okay see you and then after that we chill.
But ऐसे awkward नहीं लगता कि यार मेरे को invite आया है, you don't know if she has gotten an invite for that या
No,
ऐसा
I
कुछ.
think also like a lot of times even in the past whenever any event का that thing was there I तो feel कि if someone gets an invite I तो don't mind passing on the PR का number whatever.
नहीं वो
like,
that is separate but sometimes there is like a कभी कुछ प्रीमियम ब्रांड्स में कुछ लिमिटेशन होती है कि कभी +1 भी नहीं अलाउड होता या ऐसा कुछ सिचुएशंस होती है तो कि लिमिटेड ही लोग हैं तो यू आर इनवाइटेड प्रॉब्ली दी अदर 2 or 3 आर नॉट. तो उस सिचुएशन में डू यू गेट ऑकवर्ड यार मेरे को अकेले जाना पड़ेगा?
I mean I do get very awkward if I'm
Yeah.
like I have a lot of anxiety before I enter an event and even when I'm we are very similar.
सेम भाई. वाइल्ड वाले दिन तो मैं अकेले मैं
Yeah, no, that day also we like planned and we were like okay we'll go together.
या बट दैट डे एक तो मुझे पता नहीं था इवेंट क्या बिकॉज आई वाज एक तो मैं पहली नई शिफ्ट हुई थी बॉम्बे.
Oh, that was like your new phase.
फर्स्ट वीक इन बॉम्बे.
Oh,
तो
damn.
मेरे को तो ये भी नहीं पता था कोलाबा का है. मैंने तो कैब में डाला था लाइक बहन चोद ये कहाँ 600 रुपए ठोक दिए मैंने.
यहाँ से तो कितना दूर होगा?
$600 मैंने कहा फक वन वे.
Bro, must be a road trip for you.
रोड ट्रिप करी मैंने गाइस एक इवेंट के लिए. मुझे स्पॉन्सर भी नहीं किया गया.
That event was like everybody was there.
या
बहुत लोग थे यार वहाँ पे. I met a lot of people in that event. It was very good for networking.
हाँ I met you. I met some more people. और मेरे को ना एक्चुअली कुछ ऐसे भी लोग दिखे थे जिनको मैं जानती थी वो भी मुझे जानते थे बट आई थिंक DM में हमारा कुछ ऑकवर्ड कॉन्वर्सेशन हुआ था एंड वी नेवर स्पोक. या स्नैपचैट पे हुआ था कहीं तो हुआ था बिकॉज मुझे भी क्लियरली नहीं याद. और क्योंकि आई हैव बीन इन कंटेंट फॉर लाइक 2017 से मैं भी तो मुझे
So,
लग
7
रहा
years, हाँ.
मुझे भी याद ही नहीं था. मैंने कहा खड़ा है क्या कुछ मैंने.
Yeah, sometimes this happens, you know, like I have fangirled over people and now I meet them and I'm just like,
oh yeah.
oops.
ये मेरे साथ हुआ है कि मैंने बहुत, एक तो प्रॉब्लम ये इंस्टाग्राम ने कर दी है that you cannot unsend messages now.
You can't.
अरे so if I've sent you a message, you have not replied or accepted, I can't unsend that. मतलब वो invite चला गया है.
ओ भाई.
तो I can't unsend that. तो मैं किसी को खोलती हूँ ना, if I'm opening a celebrity's DM to podcast आ जाओ, उससे पहले पता नहीं क्या गंदी चीजें लिखी हुई है.
Bro, oh my god, what have you told me? Bro, I am like a professional fangirl.
Yeah.
Once I start fangirling, there is no stopping me. That's the thing with me. Like if I love you, I will let the world know. I have messaged a lot of people, a lot of like fangirly crap. Now I'm starting to regret it.
भाई मैंने अपने DMs खोले and I was like, how do I, मतलब उस दिन पता नहीं मैंने रैंडमली खोला, अर्जुन कपूर का DM खोल रही थी मैं, ठीक है, पता नहीं क्यों मैंने देखा पहले क्या मैसेजेस भेज रखे हैं. मैं भी कभी नहीं आएगा मेरे पॉडकास्ट में. नॉट दैट इज कंसिडरिंग आल्सो राइट नाउ, बट
नहीं यार क्यों आएगा
मैसेज देख के. डू यू वांट टू सी?
Of course I do. I'm always up for like ऐसा. You want to see? Yeah, of course.
Oh God. Wait, पहले मुझे देख रहे.
You tell me gossip about your neighbor's dog also. I'll be like हाँ बताओ मुझे.
नहीं यार, but you tell me, मेरे को कुछ creator gossip बताओ till the time I pull it out.
यार I'm very like, I'm telling you, I'm the last person to
have
like
gossip.
Yeah, I'm very in my, like even if
don't read it out, just read it and keep it to yourself. Arjun Kapoor, come on my podcast, please. Sorry.
Imagine he answers this on your podcast.
2018.
Bro, but that was a good message. I feel very privileged to have read that.
मैं send करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ.
Listen, I want to see if there is this one like I have two crushes that the world knows about, okay?
हाँ.
Like one is a TV actor who I used to watch as a kid and one is Varun Dhawan.
Yeah.
Today is his birthday.
Who?
Varun Dhawan's birthday.
Oh,
yeah.
Cute. उसको happy birthday Varun.
Happy birthday Varun.
Please come on Badmaaash.
Please come on her podcast. You talk about me if he comes on your podcast.
Yeah, I will tell Sakshi Shah was here and she's a big fan. She can style me
I've
someday.
met him also and
Wow.
we both were wearing denim jackets and I have a picture, I have a video of me telling him, oh look we're twinning.
You told him?
Yeah, I told him.
क्या बोला वो?
Oh, I think he was just, there's one picture of him looking at me like with a lot of love in his eyes. I'm like, this is how I want a guy to look at me.
मूड भाई मेरे साथ कब होगा? मैं तो नाम ही नहीं ले पा रही. मेरे को सारी सेलिब्रिटीज से प्यार हो जाता है उनकी मूवी देख के.
Yeah, नहीं. For me, I've always like since student of the year, I've been a Varun Dhawan fan.
हाँ.
So वो होता था ना like सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा, वरुण धवन. I'm like no, VD.
नहीं, I'm a सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा वो.
नहीं, he's also, but like VD.
क्या? Steady. But yes, so which is your favorite Varun Dhawan film?
Favorite Varun Dhawan film has to be okay, I do. No. It's Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania.
Ooh, yes.
But like at one point I used to love Judwa too. That's a very cringy film. It used to be my favorite, but it's Humpty Sharma. Like Humpty Sharma is like at the top for me. But I didn't want to say Jodwa too because
Humpty Sharma
a lot of people.
बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया पहले आई थी.
Humpty
Sharma.
Yeah. उसका वो था ना, there was this one dialogue of Alia Bhatt that got very famous. That
करीना वाला designer लहंगा पहन.
वो तो हाँ that, and there was one more like in which she was telling him कि I'll slap you if you like interfere or whatever. That was my first ever DubSmash that I had made.
Talk about DubSmash bhai.
Bro, I used to make DubSmash videos. I have my.
Do you have anything right now?
Not right now. It's on my iPad.
I have one.
Yeah. Oh my god. All of that like. All of that.
मेरे DubSmash videos were like.
Let me see if I do.
Does the app exist? DubSmash अभी भी exist करता है क्या?
I don't think DubSmash exists, but I'll send it to you if I can find. But yeah, I was like the DubSmash creator in 2017.
2015-16
हाँ या 2016 हाँ like
मैं
college
फिर उसके बाद मैंने वो म्यूजिकली शुरू कर दिया था
musically yeah that was such a thing ना
then that happened
musically का एक है फिर भी if you like really scroll at the end of my page there's one musically of me and my
मैंने
niece.
ऐसी cringe जो every
bro my एकदम नीचे तक if you scroll mine is also like this same
गंद these are all archived by
yeah you know I never knew how people made that white background so
Yeah.
you know what I used to do I would
हाँ.
take this I would like minimize this I would screenshot and then I would post that screenshot because I didn't know editing apps
भाई
were a thing
ये एक एरा था दोस्तों ये आप लोग नहीं समझोगे जो अभी एकदम नए नए
yeah the COVID creators I don't know if they can relate to
COVID creators cannot relate to
yeah
this.
this was a real
भाई
thing
मेरे को लग रहा है मेरी मेन फीड पे ही है क्या आर्काइव में तो नहीं मिला fuck भाई डबस्मैश अभी तक मेरे मेन फीड पे कहीं तो
मेरे में तो है यार अभी भी I'll send it to you if I can find it
Done. मैं भी एक यहाँ पे डाल दूंगी एक लोगों को ट्रॉमेटाइज करने के लिए हाँ पता नहीं खुल throwback to 2015 अरे मैंने उस पे बनाया था तमाशा का वो डायलॉग था मैंने नई देखी थी एंड पीपल वर नॉट लाइकिंग इट देन तमाशा मतलब बहुत बैकलैश आया था उस फिल्म को है ना तमाशा को
I like how you're looking at me for that.
हाँ मेरे को याद नहीं because I remember people were not liking it और मेरे को I didn't understand the film then बट मुझे वो समझ आया था मतलब मेरे को उसका कॉमिकल चीज़ें जो थी वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रही थी मैंने फिल्में सारी बाद में देख के समझी मेरा दिमाग थोड़ा स्लो चलता है तो
नहीं यार मेरा भी
तो मैंने कहा अच्छा इन लोगों को नहीं पसंद आ रही है चूती है तो मेरे को तो मजा आया तो देयर वाज दैट डायलॉग ना व्हेन वेद मीट्स क्या नाम था तारा तो दोनों ने अपना कुछ और नाम बताते हैं एक दूसरे को मोना डार्लिंग हाँ
I don't remember the film only I
When they meet in Corsica, they decide, right? कि हम अपनी
yeah like I didn't understand the film and I've not watched it again to understand the film
मैंने इसको भी बोल दिया चूतिया
नहीं यार ठीक है चलेगा यार I went to watch it one day before my boards I was anyway in too much stress
फिर
very
fair
funny time to watch a film like Tamasha.
yeah I didn't understand but I was like no it has Deepika I have to go watch
तो there is a scene where they meet for the first time Corsica में and they decide not to reveal their identity तो वो मोना डार्लिंग डॉन ऐसे करके बोलते हैं एक दूसरे को और वो उसका मैंने डबस्मैश बनाया था और मेरे भाई आई थिंक दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट वायरल मोमेंट मेरे क्लास में सब बात कर रहे थे उसके बारे में
oh my god
I was so awkward
yeah no I relate when you're making content when you're in college or school I think that is like you are letting people know that मैं आ जाऊंगी तुम मुझे बुली करो yeah like you are like आप है मुझे man I am the person you need to bully
have you had ऐसा कुछ moment with like people around you first time जब they figured कि यार ये content बना रही है हमारी
bro
लड़की
I तो started so like in college like this not bullying but like like it was a thing you know like seniors ask you to like do weird shit and all luckily I got out of it but like I would just my way out of it but like when I started creating content there were a lot of people who like they've literally screen shared my feed on a bloody projector
what the fuck ये bullying हो रही है
yeah and I am तो like you I think by now you know I'm like very socially awkward I've said it too many times
yeah.
But like imagine that happening in the first year of college in fact in my first jury I spoke like you know that oh this is like a side thing that I'm doing except college like I write fashion blogs and all of that there were even faculty members who told me कि बंद कर दो ये कुछ नहीं होने वाला है and that was like in the first 6 months of starting they were like बंद कर दो ये नहीं चलने वाला है
how many followers did you have तब
that time I started with like I think 900 followers
मतलब start out ही किया था just
yeah it was just the people who I knew back then तो there were like people who had told me कि बंद कर दो ये नहीं चलने वाला and this and that and it's okay यार तो feel good fun stories to tell
fun stories
yeah now I'm just like
अब देखो
बोलो क्या हो गया
हुडा ब्यूटी का इवेंट छोड़ के आई है मैम आज
no of course has to नहीं वो मत बताओ
अरे तो पॉडकास्ट से बाद में जाएगा
हाँ that's true हाँ
कल भी एक क्रेजी इवेंट में जा रही है मैम ओके
नहीं जा रही है शूट है ना
ओके नहीं जा रही है
कल पैसे कमाऊंगी मैं
कल पैसे कमाऊंगी
कल पेड पार्टनरशिप वाला शूट है
but उससे मुझे याद है you met Kriti Sanon
bro
tell me about that
She is so sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, like she is so pretty. She is so sweet. She's such a like girl's girl. You know, like I never understood what like girl's girl really means until like I saw her. She's like so. This was the second time I was meeting her actually. The first time I met her and Varun Dhawan साथ में in the Bhediya ka promotion.
अच्छा.
And now I met her, but this was the first time I was creating content with a celebrity.
Yeah.
So it was kind of like a big deal for me. She was so like nice. She'll make you feel comfortable. Like even though everything was so hectic because she had to shoot with so many people.
How many people were there?
I think there were like must be like 60 to 80 people were there. I'm not sure. I might be completely wrong.
50 भी हैं अगर.
हाँ.
50 तो होंगे.
हाँ.
Fuck, 50 people she shot with.
I'm not sure if 50 creators, but मतलब
लोग थे वहाँ पे.
Yeah, लोग. हाँ. I don't know. I'm telling you, when I go to an event, I'm so anxious. I don't think about anything. I'm just like, I want to go. I want to take my stories, and after that, I like let it sink in that. Okay, I'm here.
This happened.
Yeah.
Oh.
But my best event till date was Rare Beauty. I have never felt more at ease.
Why?
At an event. I don't know. Just everything felt so natural. It felt very nice. I made like international contacts in that event.
Oh.
Like the like you know the people from Rare Beauty ka team, like they were so nice. They came and spoke. They started following me, and I was like, that's very nice. And I could speak very normally to them without being awkward.
That's so nice.
I don't know, something about these firangs, they make you feel very comfortable.
Yeah, but सही है. But so in these events, I want to अगर very controversial question we are coming at. Do followers matter here?
Honestly, I don't think so. I really don't think, like in general, I was telling you, I don't think followers, like I think it's just a number. It matters when you're getting paid.
Yeah.
But except that, I think if you have a loyal audience, it's fine. And especially with these events, I've realized what you get invited to is what you also like would normally speak about. Or like if you're in that, if you're creating content with brands like those, then you get events. So like Rare was a very like exclusive event, and I didn't know till like other people told me that, you know, it was a very exclusive event. But because I've like continuously I've spoken about how much I love the brand and all of that, that's why I got an invite. And tabhi to I was at what 50K. And there were people at 1 million and all in that event. So I mean, I don't think it matters that much on the number. I think it matters more on if you have a connect with that brand.
Right. And so do you think a person with a loyal following and उसके मान लो ऐसे कुछ 20-30K के around है, and they have good loyal following, how much they can ideally charge in such situations? Because I have seen people charging like बहुत ही खराब, and I feel कि because now people see अच्छा 20K के creators इतना charge करते हैं, तो हम 10 ऐसे creators के साथ कर लेते हैं, तो it just I feel ruins the space. Because I have worked in a social media agency पहले, मतलब digital marketing agency, social media department, तो मेरे को influencers वाला करना पड़ता था. I could see a person who एक story का charge पे ही मैं समझ जाती थी कि क्या है.
Yeah.
Like similar number पे a person is charging 1K and the other person is charging 200.
Yeah.
I'm like,
damn. No, but I understand what you're saying. Even I've done that for a brand, like where I was at the back end. Yeah. So when that time is when I was like, bro, I'm like massively undercharging, and usme they're doing this bargain stuff with me. So I mean, I think it depends honestly on like if you have like a backing up, okay, you know, I like for me, I think it also depends on how much you can. Like say it can convert to sales. Uske upar also it depends. I think for me, like when I've worked with a few brands that I've worked with, I always ask them after like how was the experience of like working together and this and that. Sometimes they tell me that a product went sold out after like I posted about it, and also it's a very nice feeling. Right. And that's when I know okay, if it is actually making difference to a brand ka sale, me charging a certain amount makes sense.
भाई इससे मुझे याद आया, you promoted this one brand and मैं बस अब उसकी सेल का वेट करती रहती हूँ.
किसकी?
Moody.
Bro, I love Moody. Moody. I've never collaborated with them. Yeah.
सारे products Moody के पड़े हैं.
I love Moody. I didn't see, but bro, I swear by Moody. I've never collaborated with them. I really want to collaborate with them.
अब तो मुझे भी करना है.
Yeah, bro, it's the best.
I just wait for this sale. भाई इनकी products एक तो affordable and they're so good.
Yeah, bro, I buy that sunscreen in wholesale. Like सेल में आ रहा है, ले लो.
So but यार उनके वो जो मेरे को आते ही रहते हैं, like उनके सेल के वो, तो मैंने कहा हाँ yes. Okay.
Bro, I have made almost 15 people start using Moody or the 16th one.
Moody, time to collaborate.
Yes, please.
So yeah, मतलब मेरे को तो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग ऐसे लगता है ये सब.
It's really good.
Have you had any creator interaction in a way where it goes कि तुम्हारे followers कम है, that way?
I think not
या फिर
creator.
or the other way, oh you have so many followers, वो वाला conversation कभी आया है? और you have figured कि okay, this person talking me because of this person not talking to me because of this?
Not creators, but a lot of times I have been made felt कि you know you've been doing this for so long but you
Yeah.
don't have the amount.
Us.
Yeah, like the amount, like I've been put in that situation way too many times, but now I'm just like, bro, it doesn't matter. Like I'm generating sales for a brand, like, and I'm not talking like skincare or whatever, because my primary thing has always been fashion. So if I can make a difference to a fashion brand, like say like a homegrown business or
Right.
whatever, if I'm creating whatever, even thode se bhi sales for that brand,
Yeah.
then I'm like, my purpose is solved, it's fine. Numbers, really, I'm done with that whole thing. Oh, you're still not there yet.
मुझे लेकिन I think somewhere it still affects me, because I think numbers are sort of first impression.
They
जब आपकी कोई
are.
प्रोफाइल पे आता है या कोई मेरा YouTube भी देखता है,
That's
तो it becomes a first impression. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब वो ये भी नहीं देख रहे, like if I'm sending my podcast का link, they will not even see the guest first.
They'll see the number.
Numbers कि अरे इसके तो इतने हैं.
That's a very sad thing, yeah. Like I relate to that, because even for me, it's like, oh, you just have like these many. But that's why I always mention that I've been doing it for 6 years, so like I know what I'm doing. I'm not
Right.
like मस्ती में नहीं कर रही हूँ
But
मैं ये.
do they like expect कि if you've been doing it for so long, तो numbers होने चाहिए और
Because see, the thing is na, Instagram is very funny when it comes to numbers, yeah. Like you really never know what will work and what will not. All these years when I was trying to make high production fashion content, all of those reels barely hit like what 30K. And I'm talking now, after all these years, it's hit 30K. Now when I'm like putting my phone on my window, I'm like on front camera, I'm like recording myself talking, oh I bought this, all those like fashion videos are doing like what, they're going to 300K plus views in like a week, which is amazing. So it really, like, I don't know, I let people see my work. Like तुम देखो, तुमको अच्छा लगता है, follow कर
you
दो.
decide.
Yeah, like you decide, no hard and fast. You just want to see my content, just see it. You don't want to follow, don't.
And do you follow any strategy with content, stories वगैरह?
Stories though, I'm very, I think from last year now, like last year I was in a phase where I was very affected by numbers.
Yeah.
Because there were a lot of instances where people really made me feel like, bhai, you are not good enough. And I've never felt like that, okay? Like, मेरे को कुछ भी, मतलब not in a very like, ऐसा, not in an arrogant way.
Yeah.
But I've always been like, I'm giving
तो
my
नहीं हुआ
best.
है.
तो
Yeah.
ठीक है, हो जाएगा अपने आप. But last year, like it really affected me. So first I was very like open about my personal, like you know, like if I'm feeling happy, I'll post. But last year के बाद I felt like no, maybe I shouldn't do it and this and that. So now I think with stories, I'm like, I think a lot. First I never used to think that worked for me. So now I'm getting back to like
That.
yeah, like now I want to start posting more regularly on stories.
Yeah. Nice, interesting. And how are brands on YouTube right now for fashion beauty space?
I don't collaborate with brands yet on YouTube. Yeah, like I'm very new to that space.
Achha, okay.
I'm still figuring out like YouTube. So abhi I want to like, I have a goal to reach on Instagram. So once I'm there, then I can focus a little more on.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cute. सही है यार. But हमें अभी तक जवाब नहीं मिला. What do you do?
Even I don't know who I
यार
do.
मैं जवाब लिए बिना छोड़ती नहीं हूँ. मैं कहा अब सारी बातें हो ही गई हैं, अब हम
है ही
दोस्त
नहीं
अच्छे
यार,
बन गए हैं. तो ये इसका जवाब मिल जाता.
है ही नहीं यार, कोई भी नहीं है.
कोई नहीं है. Are you looking?
No यार, अभी तो वे, अरे यार like
Time नहीं मिलता.
No, not time नहीं मिलता. I'm just like I'm not a text person. And call का मतलब how much will you talk on call?
हाँ,
है
true.
ना. And
सही बात
socially
है.
awkward तो मैं हुई. तो I'm just hoping कि maybe when I'm like,
Do you expect like a nice ऐसा कुछ ऐसा meet cute?
Yeah, I'm very filmy like
है
that.
ना?
Yeah. Like I have like these, I watch these sitcoms and then I have these unrealistic expectations.
हाँ
in
भाई
my head,
ऐसे
like,
मिलना चाहिए.
yeah, like Jim Halpert and Chandler Bing and all of that.
भाई एक मैंने कुछ तो अभी रिसेंटली नेटफ्लिक्स पे देखा, I forgot the name. These two people they land up together business class में randomly. मतलब लड़की को business class upgrade करना पड़ गया क्योंकि उसकी सीट नहीं थी, something like that. And the guy was already allotted to that place next उसकी, क्योंकि
she's going for her father's wedding.
या that one. तो ऐसा कुछ था. तो I was like यार मेरी फ्लाइट में तो कोई बैठता ही नहीं, खाली होती है साइड की सीट.
There's always someone who's like fidgeting with the seat आगे पीछे or like who's sleeping like that on my shoulder.
हाँ, और मैंने कहा ये इतने क्यूटीज ऐसे मिले and then they reach that location again, they meet, पता नहीं कुछ तो ऐसा था, I forgot.
Love at first sight.
Love at first sight.
Yeah, that's a show, no?
No, it's a film on
film.
Netflix. It's a Netflix.
हाँ, मैं और रोनेला देख रहे थे यहाँ बैठ के इसमें.
Yeah, it fucked up my expectations of going to the airport after.
No, but funny story, I'm not a very rom-com person.
No.
No.
You what films do you like? Or
Psycho thriller.
अच्छा recommend करो, I'll watch some. मेरे को ऐसे अच्छा लगता है.
I
You like
watched-
you?
Sorry.
Just मैंने अभी recent वाला season मेरे से देखा नहीं गया.
Like I don't like it,
but like you
like
enjoyed it.
I watch stuff like that. Like I'll watch the most psycho stuff ever. हाँ मतलब it doesn't.
Meet cute की बात करी थी, मेरे hinge match का message आया है. Free tonight. We'll decide after that. After this.
Now they'll know if you can get out of your t-shirts.
Shit. But speechless.
You tell me, what do you do? Why do you do? Who do you do? आज
do
तुम्हारे
this.
podcast में you answer that.
We do this. We do because we are hoping to get paid, sponsored someday.
जय माता दी.
And who we do? वो तो ये ऑनलाइन कोलैब है अब.
She'll confirm tomorrow morning.
I will confirm tomorrow morning who I'm doing. But वो देखो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है पॉडकास्ट के बाद हम डिसाइड करते हैं ये हो गया ऑनलाइन कोलैब, अब ऑफलाइन होना चाहिए कि नहीं, कि हम डेट पे जा सकते हैं कि नहीं.
Of course, of course.
तो
हो ही जाएगा.
We'll see if she wants to get hinged or she's just bubbling around.
Oh,
ये भाई
ये
good
होना
one.
This is relatable.
रीलेबल भाई, ये सही चीज बोली भाई. But we'll figure. We'll know it one day. But अच्छा ठीक है. While before we end, if you are like dating somebody, would you put them on social media on your account? नहीं.
Never.
Why? नजर.
I mean, yeah.
नजर. जब तक शादी नहीं हो जाती तब तक.
भाई, I am so scared of nazar. Like I'm in general, like I don't like talking itna about my personal life. I'm just like, people are happy seeing people sad on the internet is what I've realized. You put one video of you crying and you'll get like 100k in a day, 200k in a day. रोते रोते video डालो, see. You'll be like, हाँ Sakshi, you were right.
ये
आज ही रात को थोड़ा सा ग्लिम्पिंग कर लेती हूँ, शुरू हो जाती हूँ.
भाई मैं तो पूरा लास्ट ईयर का एंड मेरा ऐसा ट्रॉमेटिक निकला है, मेरे को तो डालना चाहिए.
You know, I तो have only 3 videos of me crying because that too I was vlogging, okay?
हाँ.
And बोलते बोलते मैं रोने लगी. So whenever I have to put a clip of me crying, it's always those 3 clips that I use in any sad that thing, and
Yeah.
all of those videos have done well.
Fuck भाई, ये
Not like I'm a shitty person who puts videos of me crying.
मैंने कभी खुद को फिल्म ही नहीं किया, पता है.
मैं भी नहीं करती. It's very random to me. Like when people have like,
Yeah, I've seen this.
I can't. What are you doing? Like what is that?
So मैं me and my flatmate हम एक बारी ना वहाँ गए थे मनाली, ठीक है. तो there was a situation where we had to cross a river. Now this was a content trip. तो हम एक river cross प्लान कर गए थे. Content है, ठीक है. Understanding है दोनों में.
Of course.
तो हम गए.
Next time call me also ना.
हाँ, we'll plan something. Done. हाँ. तो हम मनाली गए एंड एक रिवर क्रॉस कर रही थी एंड इट वाज अ वेरी स्लिपरी, बहुत ऐसे जोर से पानी यहाँ से आ रहा है, वी हैड टू क्रॉस. अब मैं वहाँ पे गिर गई एंड आई स्टार्टेड क्राइंग क्योंकि मेरा ऑलरेडी लिगामेंट टियर था और ऊपर से मैं गिर गई जोर की, वो मैं बम पे भी लग गई. तो नाउ आई स्टार्टेड क्राइंग, आई वाज हाउलिंग. अब ये मेरे को संभाल रही है. बाद में हम जब जाके बैठ गए, हमें एक फायर स्पॉट मिला, वहाँ पे बैठे थोड़ी देर, आवर कार वाज वेटिंग एंड इसने मुझे आके बोला, सुकृति मेरा ना बड़ा मन कर रहा था वो शूट करने का, पर फिर मेरे को थोड़ी सी सेंसिटिव हो गई उस टाइम। मैंने कहा कर लेती यार, मेरे लिए भी कंटेंट हो जाता।
बट इट्स ऑलवेज दोज वीडियोस जो गिरने वाले, रोने वाले, जिसमें ऐसे
सो शी हैज अ क्लिप, वो ना अपने आप को ऐसे करके फिल्म कर रही थी।
हाँ
एंड उसके पीछे मैं थी, तो दैट जोर की आवाज तो आई गिरने की। पर कह रही थी मेरा मन कर, यू शुड हैव, मैं कहा अगली बार इफ आई एम क्राइंग शूट।
of course, yeah. I तो always I'm like if you, I तो think I look very pretty while crying.
ओह
It's a
अच्छा,
thing.
हाँ यार कुछ ऐसा
You
ग्लो हो
people
जाता
look
है, कुछ
pretty when
तो
they cry.
कुछ तो ग्लो होता है,
Yeah.
बिकॉज मैं जब मुंह धोने जाती हूँ ऐसी मैं ओह क्यूटी
That's pretty. Okay, let me cry some more. Best skincare routine. Tears.
tears. But yeah, I think
We have the same issues.
गाइस हमारी बहुत अच्छी बॉन्डिंग हो चुकी है इस पॉडकास्ट में, बदमाश बातें से बदमाश बॉन्डिंग। विद दैट आई थिंक वी आर गुड टू एंड। थैंक यू सो मच साक्षी फॉर बीइंग
Thanक you so much.
बहुत मजा आया,
बहुत ज्यादा मजा आया।
कुछ आपके पार्टिंग नोट्स फॉर आवर क्यूडीज?
Parting notes
ऐसे
तो
कुछ?
just बहुत मजा आया।
हाँ।
I think I was less socially awkward than I thought I would be.
हाँ यार वो तो
है ना?
वो तो है।
Content मिला?
हाँ मैं तो रील गिन रही थी।
मिले क्या रील वाले?
Yes, we got.
अच्छा। Yay!
Yes guys, with
Fun.
that
This is my first podcast, so
wow,
I'm very excited.
we don't know what who is she doing, but she definitely lost her podcast virginity.
Oh yeah, that I did.
मैं यार मेरे को बस करना होता है कुछ ना कुछ. So if you guys aren't following her, go follow Sakshi Shah. I always get like
Style of the subtle.
style of the subtle. मैं हमेशा
Yeah, but you call me Satlu.
Satlu.
Yeah, not Sakshi. You call Satlu.
हाँ.
Satlu.
Because yeah. तो स्टाइल ऑफ द सटल उसको आप फॉलो कर सकते हो फ्रेंड्स.
Yes,
गो
please.
चेक आउट हर बहुत होलसम कंटेंट. आई थिंक शी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट होलसम क्रिएटर्स आई नो. तो यू शुड डेफिनेटली चेक हर आउट. इसकी स्टोरीज कंटेंट एवरीथिंग इज वेरी होलसम. मतलब कुछ मेरे को एकदम बहुत ही ओवर द टॉप नहीं लगता, कुछ एकदम ही बहुत डल नहीं लगता. इट्स वेरी like balanced and very wholesome. So I really like
you,
her.
Sukriti.
Yes. So go follow her if you aren't already. If you're listening this on Spotify, तो मुझे follow कर लो.
Of course, follow करो अभी.
Yes, and subscribe on YouTube. Leave nice comments. जो भी whatever you feel. And of course, अगर if you guys want Sakshi again, comment में बताओ next हम क्या बातें कर सकते हैं.
Yes, I would love to come again.
I would love to have you again. Yeah.
Done.
Done. So that's it.
Bye.